Ningbo Xinzhou Welding Equipment Company is a leading manufacturer specializing in high-performance wire mesh welding machines, backed by extensive industry experience and strong R&D capabilities. Our cable tray welding machine is engineered for high efficiency, precision, and durability, making it an ideal solution for cable support systems in data centers, server rooms, industrial automation workshops, power distribution facilities, and cleanroom environments. Welding size, 1,600 by 3,100 mm, wire diameter, 4.5 to 6 mm. Electrodes, 10 synchronous welding heads, 0 missed welds, false welds, or weak joints. Adjustable weld point quantity. Advanced multi-point projection welding technology. Servo-driven automatic stepping, 200% efficiency boost. 1. Longitudinal wire feeding, synchronized welding and blanking for seamless operation. 2. Cross wire dropping, auto wire placement plus magnetic positioning for pinpoint accuracy. 3. Powerful welding unit, dual 250 kVA transformers with 10-cylinder pressure system. 4. Smart dragging system, push-pull dual action to prevent deformation of short wires. 5. Precision trimming and stacking, hydraulic trimming on all sides with automated stacking and discharge.